Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrative access and the device host name. This matters because many configuration queries require elevated rights. Once done, open the terminal on Linux or Mac OS or PowerShell/command prompt as admin on Windows, and make sure Settings System or About is available for GUI checks. Prepare an external drive or cloud storage to save exported reports and logs. This prevents accidental loss when you modify settings later and allows easier comparison across systems. You now collect the core configuration details, run hardware queries like lshw or lscpu on Linux, and use Device Manager or msinfo32 on Windows to capture components. Next, pull OS and kernel identifiers with uname or check /etc/OS release on Linux. On Windows, run winver and systeminfo. Also export network, storage, and running process snapshots using IPEditor, LSBLK, netstat, or task manager and resource monitor. These show how resources are allocated and reveal mismatches you might otherwise miss. You finish by exporting configuration artifacts. Copy /etc folders and service files on Unix, export registry hives, and use DISM or PowerShell for package lists on Windows. Timestamp everything for traceability. Once done, verify integrity by checksumming exports and comparing them to a baseline so you can spot unexpected changes. If you hit errors, check permissions and look at boot logs or run in safe mode. Then rerun only the failing collection steps to isolate the cause and confirm a clean capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.